What's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this look right here. It's very glowy and I have these bronzy eyes going on right here and mauve lips. I feel this is the perfect comfy, cozy sweater weather makeup. So if you guys like this look, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Hello, I have my fluffy comfy sweater on because today is gonna be a more cozy makeup tutorial, and I have already done my base, so foundation, concealer, powder, and my eyebrows as well. Let's just jump right into the tutorial. Okay, I am gonna be using this palette from Too Faced. This was from last year holiday collection. It's called Best Year Ever 2018. This was one of my favorites last year and I still use it a lot. It has a lot of shadows and highlighter, blush and bronzer as well. I am gonna start by using Spiked Cider, this color right here, and I am gonna put it in my crease. For this I'm gonna be using this very fluffy brush from Sephora. This is the Pro Crease brush in number 10. I want to keep this color very much light on the crease and very brushed out. I'm just gonna add more, a little bit in the outer corner as well. So next time I'm gonna be taking this brush right here. This is from NYX and it is number 12. It's a flat shader brush like this. And I am gonna be taking the color Don't Give a Fudge, really funny name, right here, and apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. Next I am taking this brush right here. This is from Morphe and this is the G13. And I am taking this color right here. I Want It All. And I'm gonna apply it onto my lid. And since I had a lot of fallout, I'm just gonna brush it off with a fluffy brush. So I want to put glitters on my eyelids, and for doing this I am using this liquid glitter eyeshadow. I picked this out at Primark and it was only €4 in Europe, and it's kind of dupe for the Stila glitter eyeshadows. Let's test it out. Okay, as far as I can see, it looks really pretty, but you do have to go over a couple of times because the quantity of glitter is not that much. For my inner corner highlight, I am gonna be using this color right here. This is the first one from the palette. It's called Marshmallows. And I'm using the same shade on my brow bone as well. So next I am taking this teeny tiny brush. This is from Zoeva. It's called a 310 Spot Liner. And I am gonna be using it with this color right here, which is called Pinecone. And I am gonna use it to line my lash line. I am gonna be using this Spiked Cider color and apply it on the outer corner of my lash line. on the lower lash line. I'm not going all the way in. And for the other half, I am using this color right here. This is called Party Over Here. It's a bronze metallic. Next, I am doing mascara on the lower lash line, and I am gonna touch up my lash extensions as well on my top one. And for doing these, I'm using the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit. This is a favorite of mine. Finish up my face, I am gonna be taking this blush right here. This is from the same Too Faced palette, and this is called Will You Marry Me? And it's a metallic blush. I'm gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks. For highlight, I am gonna be using the Anastasia for Rizzy highlighter. Alright, and for lips, I am gonna go in with my favorite Ofra liquid lipstick. It's more of a velvety consistency, and it is in the color Mocha. It's a beautiful, almost mauvey pink. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I am in love with these eyes, and I feel this is a perfect comfy makeup look, and you could easily recreate. I am in love with the brown bronzy eye and these mauve lips as well. If you guys are gonna recreate this look, please let me know in the description down below, and what are your thoughts about this. If you guys want to see more of these looks, just please let me know down in the box below. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on notifications by pressing the bell button if you want to be notified whenever I apply a new video. And thank you so much for your support, and big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.